Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to change color to grayscale in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Then go to the Insert menu. Then select the picture option. Then insert a picture from our file. Then choose a picture and insert it. Then select the picture and go to the picture format menu. Then we can see here the recolor option and we can see here the grayscale color. Then we select it. Now we can see we change the color to grayscale very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.